To register your card reader, you first need to make sure your Stripe card reader is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device where the Auto Repair HQ app is running from. Then go to your Stripe terminal location that you just created using the steps provided in the Getting Location ID video and open it as shown. As you can see currently, the reader's value is 0. Click on the Register Reader button on the top as shown. On this next screen, you will now be able to pair or connect your Stripe card reader with your Stripe account backend to ensure that all amounts processed are instantly posted to your Stripe account. You can pair your reader with a pairing code, your reader's serial number, or your Stripe order number, if you bought it directly from Stripe. In our case, we will go ahead and use the pairing code. To get the pairing code, go your reader under Settings Admin Options and choose Generate the Pairing Code option. Once you have it generated, use it as shown. When successfully connected, you will notice that the value under Readers changes to 1, as shown.